and welcome to my mini upcycling course on Craftsville Academy. I am your instructor Adaobi, and today we'll be learning how to upcycle plastic bottles into bangles. The materials you will need for this project are a piece of fabric, some glue, empty plastic bottles, iron, masking tape, scissors or cutter, measuring tape, a pen or a marker. Before we dive into the tutorial, I would like to welcome you to my channel, Craftsville Academy. My name is Ada. Please join the growing family by subscribing to my channel. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime I post new videos. I have more juicy videos coming up every week. Now that's been said, let's jump back into the class. First step, we wash and prepare the empty plastic PET bottle. Then you peel off any wrapper or label on the bottle using a scissors or blade. Next step, you use your scissors or blade to puncture a hole in the middle of the bottle. It's best to work with the part of the bottle that has a smooth surface. Next, you open your scissors and put one edge of the blade through the punctured hole and begin to cut the bottle open. Next step, you cut out a long plastic strip of the bottle by measuring and marking 2 inches widthwise and 13 inches lengthwise. Cut out the bottle strip by working your scissors in a spiral and circular motion along the round part of the plastic bottle. Note that the length of the cut out plastic strip should be long enough to create a wide circle that can pass through your wrist when it is bent in a circular shape. For a fourth step, you turn on your iron and let it heat up. Place 2 edges of the cut-out plastic strip against this iron's hot surface and let it melt the edges slightly. For your next step, use a small piece of masking tape to join the 2 edges of the cut-out plastic strips. Bend the cut-out plastic strip to form a circle and make sure that the circle is wide enough to fit your wrist. For our sixth step, you cut out the piece of fabric you will need for the bangle by measuring on the main fabric a width of 2 inches and a length of 15 inches. Then with the piece and a pair of scissors, you cut out the piece of fabric along these measurements on your fabric. For our next step, you put some glue on one edge of the cut out plastic strip. Then you take your fabric, fold it half an inch widthwise, and then place one end of the fabric on the glued plastic bottle strip. Then you begin to wrap the piece of fabric around the circular plastic strip. Continuously wrap this fabric around the plastic strip while also adding more glue on it as you progress towards the other edge of the plastic. And the final step to finish up the upcycled bangle, you add more glue and do the last wrap right over the glued edges. Then cut out the excess or leftover fabric and trim out the raw edges. And there we have it. Our eco-friendly upcycled bangle is ready. You can wear it to any occasion you want or rock it for that party that's coming up on the weekend. This is a great way to upcycle trash from being a nuisance into a useful functional accessory you can wear. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Craftsville Academy and click the notification bell to get alerts whenever I post a video every week.